Imagine you've got a large painting project next week. You may get confused about choosing the right way to complete it, as there are different options like paint rollers, conventional sprayers, and airless sprayers. However, traditional paint sprayers are vastly more efficient than your regular brush or roller. The true airless paint sprayers are even faster. Meanwhile, the main act of an airless paint sprayer is it limits overspray and cuts down significantly on waste. And if you've got a lot of painting to do, airless sprayers are probably a good call. Graco has been leading the way for the smoothest painting of interior and exterior projects for the past decades. So now, we will cover the Graco Magnum X5 and show you a detailed overview of the electric true airless sprayer. Stay with us till the end of this video to decide whether you are picking it up or not. At first glance, you'll be amazed by the spraying capacity the X5's got. You can spray up to 125 gallons of paint per year, and it lets you spray directly from 1 or 5-gallon paint containers, meaning it will assist you in various applications throughout the whole year. When it's about spraying pressure and efficiency, this Magnum X5 won't let you down even in the largest projects. But how? Well, this airless sprayer comes with a stainless steel piston pump that delivers powerful 3000 psi of pressure without needing any thinning. And the cool part begins when the full pressure control adjusts the pressure depending on the surface, offering a neat and smooth finish that makes you feel like a pro. Ever thought of getting the best tips for your projects? If so, count on this Graco paint sprayer, as it can attach with up to 10 true airless spray tips. To surprise you, it supports a 75-foot long hose, so you can take control of your home or workshop painting projects. Regarding the professionals, this X5 sprayer comes in handy with a durable frame that withstands harsh conditions. And if you've got worries about maneuvering, then throw them right away, as this tool boasts a compact yet lightweight design compared to others. After completing every project, you might be experiencing annoying cleaning, but this isn't a problem anymore, because the power flush adapter simply hooks up to a garden hose that will allow you to quickly and easily clean after every use. In short lines, painting is a task of perfection and never accepts any consideration. So look to this X5 when you bring a uniform look to your surface without wasting time and paint. So that was today's video on the Graco Magnum X5 Electric True Airless Sprayer. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.